My dear teacher, I think you have learned little bit about downloading the elements for creating multimedia content. This video shows how to design the materials for your teaching learning process. For that, we are going to see the website called Canva. So open a browser and type canva.com in the address bar. Now you can see the home page of the particular website. For using this Canva, you have to sign up. It is a free account. You can use your Gmail account for signing, or your Facebook for signing, or you can use some other mail for sign up with Canva. So already I have signed, so I am using this login button. So give the login credentials. This login credentials, you will enter the customized page designed for you. So the left hand side you can see the designs which are recommended for you and the design you have created in Canva, and the brand kit is that it is for licensed version, and create a team. Canva is a collaborative design website, so you can invite the fellow teachers or your colleagues to design as a collaborative one, as a team. So you can invite them by using create a team. For example, I click this one, you can see invite team members for free. So you can give the email address and whether it is a member or administrator. So member means they could not delete or modify it, or administrator means that what are the roles you have that they can do it. So like that you can invite any number of your friends to make that design as a collaborative one. So now I am using this all your design. So these are the design I have created already with Canva. Suppose first time it will be empty, so you can use recommended for you. So now that you can see the search box, in the search box you can search a particular design template and you can modify it. Otherwise you can go to the bottom, you can see the categories of design templates. For example, social media, events, marketing, documents, prints, video, school, personal. If I select the school, it will contain all the designs for using school oriented purposes. Now you can see, for example, this is a design I can use for a lesson preparation or lesson plan. For example, you can search lesson plan. If you put enter, it will show the design for creating a lesson plan for you. So now you can see these are the lesson plans available. From this template you can take any one and you can design your own lesson plan. So variety of lesson plans templates are available. From that I can select one and I can use it for my lesson. So I preferred this one, so I select this particular design. So automatically this design will be added into your design page. So now you can see the selected design appeared in the design area. This is a size, you can enlarge it so that you can So I am using 75%. Now I can modify. For example, all the components in the particular designs are modified or replaced with another one. Suppose if I don't need this color, for example, if I select this one, there are 4 colors of this particular graphic. So instead of this black one, I can use a blue one, so it will be changed into blue one, or I can use some other color. If need black means black. Instead of white, I can replace with some other color. For example, a green. I can change into white. For example, I can scroll down the color and I can change. This color will be better means I can select the color. For example, this yellow color, I want some other red means that I can use red or maroon color. So like that I can remodify the design. For example, I don't need this means I can select and I can delete this particular image. So I can do here, you can redo also. So this content can be modified according to my need. So I will click this thing and I will change. I put enter. So I changed into my own, and even if you want to change the color of the font, you can change the color, and if you want to change the font style also, you can change like, and size, everything I can change it. Now this box color can be changed to some other color, and this also. So I can modify the content. This box color can be changed into some other color. And like this one. With a few minutes I can design a lesson plan. Okay. Now all the 5 days are ready, and I can change the content of Monday. So I can click there and I can modify. For example, second one is not preferred one means I can change into creating PowerPoint. I can modify this one. So like that I can change here. If you want to move anything, you can move. For example, I can move this picture here. I can hide something. So these are the ways you can remodify it. If you want, add more elements to the existing one. For example, I need an image here means, here the left hand side you can see lot of things. Templates, already we are seeing these templates. We have, from these templates we have selected one, and second one is photos. If you want to add photos, you can search from the net and you can insert any photo. For example, I can select means I can select this picture, the photos, and I can add here, and I do the resizing work. So I am adding a photo here or somewhere here. And the third one is that elements. We have lot of elements to enhance our materials. Here recently used elements. For example, I want to use this lion face image. I can select one. So I can, like image, I can modify it and I can put here. So like that there are lot of images are the elements. If I need this flowers, I can select this flower and I can resize it. I put in the Tuesday. So like that I can change the elements. And the text format, already we familiar with the text. If I want to add some extra text, I can click here, subheading. So here, so I can add my college name. Here I can resize it. So I can move this one. I can place it anywhere else. For example, here I can place it. So the alignment also done, and the color also we made it, and the font also I am going to change it. So here now I made the text. So if you want to enlarge, and you can enlarge. Now I can move it little bit, so I can align it. That's all. So text, you can add video also. So here that video will be listing. From this you can add any number of videos to our design. And backgrounds, if you want the backgrounds, you can add backgrounds also. For example, if I need the background, means I can click the background and the background is ready now. So I can select the background and the background is ready. If I need a light background, I can select a light one. So the background I can change it now. So now the background is ready. Like that I can add any number of elements to the existing design. For example, the text is not visible, so I will send this flower image to the background of the text. So I can right click it and use to send to back. So after that, if I want to reduce the transparency, so I can go to this one. So this is a position, and here that we can copy the same style to here, and this is the transparency. For example, if I reduce the transparency, the particular flower image will be looking as a watermark. So like that I can change the face of the line also. Now you can see, so the text is visible. At the same time, that the line face made as a watermark behind the Thursday lesson plan. So now the design is ready. You can download it, or you can share the design to anywhere. If I use share, it will ask the email address or link, anything. You can copy the link and you can send to through mail. Or if I want to download the soft copy in my local computer, you can use this download option, and it will ask the file type, whether you are going to download as a PDF or JPG or PNG. So I can select the file type, PDF, it is the preferred one. So click download. The particular design will prepare and download into your computer. So like this you can design. Now the file is downloaded here. Like this you can design any number of learning materials. I am going to home now. So it will be saved automatically. You need not save. Now this is the design. So now if you see all your design, the particular design is saved automatically. Like this you can create design for class schedule, lesson plans. Just now we have created, and presentation, video, report card, planner, and photo collage, and worksheet, announcement, poster. So you can see the variety of materials we can design by using this Canva. I am going to take another example for designing a poster or a flyer. So I take this flyer option. Now the canvas has a lot of templates under the category of flyers. In the left hand side you can see the templates. From this template you can select any one of the template. You can see the templates. Just with a few minutes you can able to design without having the background knowledge of designing techniques. So if you need this one, or you can select this one, or you can select this one. If I click one, so the design will automatically appear here. You can change this size to 50. Now everything is there. So if I want to change, I can click and I can make it I can put college meet. So if you want to change the picture here, I can upload my own picture by using this left hand side. There is a option called upload. Here I can upload the image from my computer. So this button can be used for uploading an image. So this is my computer. If I want to upload the picture of my college, or I can use this upload option. So automatically it will upload into Canva, so that those picture can be used for our designs. Now it is uploading. This picture can be inserted in the flyer design. So I will use to click it here. Automatically it will come here as upload. So here each design is separated. We can change and modify the place. If you don't need this background color, you can change the color also, and you can edit the thing. For example, if I don't need this image, I can select and delete it. So it is locked, so I unlock it, and after that I can delete it. Suppose if it is locked, means you cannot do the modification. Before that you have to unlock it, and I can do the thing. So I can fix my own here. Okay, it is fixed now. So now I replace the existing image by using my own image. So now you can see my flyer is ready. So the teachers can able to design with a smaller modifications and a little bit knowledge and some time is needed for creating a wonderful, elegant design for your e-content material. So like I can download here by using this download option. If I want to share, that I can share it now. So like that you can create a lot of designs in categories. If you need a photo collage, you can use it. If you want to make a class schedule, means you can create a class schedule, so which will be available a variety of designs and layouts. Now you can see these are the class layouts. You can select one, and this is the class layout. If you select this one, this is another class layout. So you can use any template and you can do this is another template. So now we can modify it and you can edit according to your need. So this way Canva is used to create a lot of designs in less time. So dear teachers, just use Canva for making design for your flyers or posters or class schedules or rank card or your report card, your lesson plan, for making text materials. So any kind of learning materials can be designed by using Canva. So it is free. You can easily download or you can easily share to anybody, and you can invite others to make the design as collaborative one. You can design a part and another teacher can design another part. Like then you can make a collaborative design. So this is a wonderful website for making the static design materials or static e-content materials. So with these words, I conclude this first day lesson, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.